After 4 unsuccessful attempts this morning to clean the foyer study dining room, I'm trying to record attempt number 5. First time it successfully did the foyer, moved to the study, it failed, and subsequent tests have now tried to do study and dining room, and they keep failing. So let's go dining room, study. We're doing a mop. We're doing a mop and vacuum. Let's go.
Start vacuuming while mopping.
Okay, 11:05. We've started a cleaning cycle on just the 2 rooms, the dining room and study. There's nothing in its way. I'll move the camera out this way to try and capture a little bit more of the clean. So I'm over near the base station itself now. Yeah, maybe that's not the best angle. We'll see how long it runs before it fails again. It runs along a virtual wall. That's interesting, why did it stop there? Runs along a virtual wall on that tile line. It separates the main living area from the dining room. And I think we've failed again. It's gone way out of its dining room area. This is the 5th failed attempt this morning. So before we lose everything, we can see a cleaning path. It's certainly not where it thinks it is.
Cleaning completed.
Cleaning completed.
Return to station.
The path disappeared. We go to the log, and there's just one clean attempt where I aborted it so I could get the camera and start. So it doesn't show the other 5 attempts this morning, and certainly not this one either. Now I don't know where it's going. The station is over here. Now if cleaning is completed, it should empty the dustbin, wash the mop pads and commence the drying cycle. Now let's return to the dock. Hasn't even announced it's going to be on charge or anything. It's like it never happened.